Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text color in Publisher with custom color in Windows 10. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the font color with custom color. Firstly, select some text. Then go to the home menu and click the font color drop down menu. Then choose more color option. Then go to the custom. Then create a custom color. Then select it. Now I click OK. Now we can see we apply the custom color. Then select the color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.